Form Titan video. In this video, I'll talk to you about and show you how to do Salesforce bulk update. In the last release, we showed you how to do a bulk create, and this one will show you how to do the bulk update. What are the advantages of bulk update? Well, the biggest advantage is it only requires one API transaction, whereas, for example, if you were to do 30 previously, it would be about 30 different API calls. So, huge advantage, huge benefits, and I'll show you how it's done right now. First thing I'll do is I'll create a section like this, and then we'll move it over here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is get a text field, 2 of them, and I'll copy and paste over here. I'll make this section a bit shorter. And then one final field I need is the hidden field, like this. Okay, so that's all we need. And this one I'm going to call account ID. This one I'm going to call account name, and this one will be account number. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a get. So I go to form, click get, add object, and then we'll get account. We'll say execute on form load, condition, bring all, but I actually just want to bring the first 5 to sort of give you the demonstration, and then we'll map the fields. So we'll do name, number, and then account ID into the hidden field. So if I apply and finish, save, and I'll show you the preview. Okay, so these are my first 5 accounts in Salesforce, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bulk update, and we're just going to change the account number for each one of these accounts here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So first thing first, we'll go to form, and we'll do a push. Add an object. An object is going to be account, and my action is going to be update. Now, in order to enable the bulk update, you need to check record ID mode. Once you've done that, you can see the bulk mode is now enabled. Check that, bulk mode, and then set conditions. And my condition is going to be my account ID must equal my account ID. Click apply. And since we know it's a bulk mode, we don't have to worry about all, take ID from all. But you can do this if you wish, okay? But bulk mode has already been enabled. So let's go ahead and map fields. Set mapping, and then I'm simply just going to map one field which I know I'm going to be amending, which is the account number with the account number here. That's it. Apply and finish. Save, and then one final thing I need is a submit button. Apply, change to submit. Save, and then preview. Alright, so we've now got 5 accounts here. Let's go ahead and amend some stuff. So we'll call this bulk 1 update. Or actually, let's call this update bulk 1. And then just like that, I'm just going to copy and paste. And we'll do update bulk 2, update bulk 3, update bulk 4, and update bulk 5. Once I've done that, and I'm just going to go ahead and click submit. This has been submitted. If I now go back to Form Titan and then I click on integration logs, you can see if I click to view integration logs, and we'll wait for this to refresh. Alright, you can see there's an account update, but there's only a 1 API transaction here with 5 IDs here. So if we go back into Salesforce, and I'll just refresh one of the accounts we just updated, and you can see now there it is, update bulk 1. If I go back to accounts recently viewed, then you can see that it's updated all the accounts. So very, very simple. So let's see, even if I now go ahead and preview this, and because it's going to be getting the data from Salesforce, you can see, look, there it is, update bulk 1, update bulk 2, update bulk 3, 4, and 5. And if I just copy this and paste this in Salesforce, and hit enter, it's going to take me there. And look, there's the update bulk 4. And that's how it's done. It's very, very simple. A couple of things you need to be mindful of, which is when you go ahead and do the update and you can't find the bulk mode, chances are this is not enabled. So if you come over, you set to update, like where is it? Make sure you check the record ID mode and then it will be enabled. That's how it's done.